Good afternoon. This is my A-night presentation by Randy Peterson, which is me, of course, for his Healthcare Communication 3361, Professor David Forrest. Healthcare management topic that I chose. How to motivate your staff hospital to bring out the maximum output from their work for the hospital. This gathered my attention quick out of all the topics. This one stuck out. Sharing the same vision. I feel as if the manager should start his team off right by motivating them, by gathering his team up and telling them what he sees for the hospital. Therefore, the team can know the expectation. One vision equals the same dream. One team, one dream. Communication. Communication is a big role to motivate your staff. You must have a nice speaking voice, which we learned about in this course so far a bunch of times. Maintain eye contact. Use the clear steps and communicate with your staff every day. Give out rewards. You want to acknowledge your staff hard work. You do not want your staff to feel unappreciated. Put yourself in the staff shoes. If you're working hard and did not get recognized for your hard work, then what's motivating you to come to work? A healthy work environment. Healthy work environment can increase in work productivity. If the work environment is safe and nice, the staff would love to come into work and work hard. There must be a no violent policy. Nobody wants to come in their workplace thinking there's a chance that they might get harmed. New equipment. Some staff members hate coming to work because the equipment is not up to date. Imagine coming to work late and then you gotta come to a computer that doesn't work. Nobody wants to do that. So the manager needs new equipment to give them so they feel wanted at work. Friendly work competition. Work competition always leads to a positive outcome in my opinion. Nobody wants to lose in anything. Therefore, if you have work competition at work with coworkers, nobody wants to hear their coworker brag, so everybody wants to win, which is motivating everybody to do good. Trust. You must have trust. I feel like trust is a big motivation to people. If you trust me, I'm motivated to work and gain more trust that you have. And don't overcrowd them. Let them work. Let them see that you trust them. Trust me, it's motivated. Listen to the employees. Employees only want to work for someone that is open-minded with open ears. Imagine if a staff member comes to a manager with a problem or an issue or a great idea and the manager don't listen. 9 times out of 10, it's going to lose respect for the manager because they're not earning it. Encourage teamwork. As you see this football picture, it's a team. One team equals one dream. You got to have a team and work hard to succeed. Lead by example. Just like any captain on any team, the captain must lead the way. If the captain don't lead the way, you're going to have multiple people thinking they're captain. You always have to have one captain, like any team, any football team, the quarterback. You got to have a captain to lead the team. Give positive feedback. Hey, awesome work today, Lisa. Good work. Positive feedback is a guaranteed thing that people need. Positive feedback motivate people to want to hear that more often. Nobody wants to come to work and hear bad things. We want to hear positive things. So positive feedback will motivate them. Be flexible with scheduling. The manager should try to work with their employees about their schedule. There are some staff members that can only work certain days because of personal problems at home. The manager is helping them work with the schedule, and the employees feel motivated to come to work because it's a bond there. Motivate individually. A manager should motivate the staff member individually rather than the whole team. Reason being is because you motivate as a whole, it feel like a whole speech again. But if you do it individually, you see that you're paying attention to them, which everybody needs. Food. Now don't get me wrong, everybody come to work late sometimes. Therefore, offer food. If you offer food, everybody come to work on time, they feel motivated to come. Even though it's at the hospital, everybody feel motivated to come to work on time, to work hard because there's food and then there's food there. Have a bring your child to work day. I honestly feel like this is a great one too because every parent think their child look at them in a higher light, which is true. Therefore, you bring that child to work, they'll work harder because they want their child to look up to them more. Being transparent. Transparency is a central key to building trust to any team by clearly informing everyone about what to do, for whom, and why. You give the meaning to teamwork and increase their motivation to follow common goals. Give them room to grow. Build an individualized growth plan for each employee. Show people how their efforts can be rewarded over time. It's human nature for people to want to grow and learn. Give every employee a vision. a vision of opportunity that can take within. Provide emotional support. In a hospital environment, many factors can take a toll on nurse emotional well-being. A sympathetic ear and provide the support nurses need to stay engaged and motivated through the role's challenges. Thank you. That was my Ignite presentation. Sorry, got to read them fast. I might stutter a little now and then. There's a lot trying to fit in to on 15-second slides. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.